Hello, I'm Chris, and welcome to a short introduction to Action Log 3, the ultimate on-set logging tool for iOS. Before we dive into the features of the app, I first want to show you the end goal and why it's so incredibly helpful to the whole post-production process. This is what I call a map. Assistants all around the world will be very accustomed to this setup. All the clips have been placed on the timeline using time of day timecode at the time that they were shot at. For example, this clip started at 12:32 in the afternoon, and on V2 the second camera started roughly at the same time as well. And then later on in the day, a GoPro is switched on. Now that everything is on the timeline at the time when it happened, all we need to do is import the action log markers. And there we go. We can see this is a marker for a great moment. The director really liked this bit, and this bit where the blue spanning marker is represents scene 2, shot 3, take 1. It's also been starred. This is just a tiny project, so you can imagine on bigger shoots, your post-production department are going to love all the markers that have come fresh in from the set, and it's really going to help speed up the post-process. And not only that, the app is really good fun to use. Let's have a look. So I've created a new project, and the first thing I need to do is match the timecode on this virtual action log camera to the real life physical camera A. I have a look at the display on the real camera, and when it reads 13470000, I hit set. Done. And now I'll just do the same for camera B, set, and that's it, I'm ready to go. I wait for action, and I mark the beginning of the take. And then I can also mark any moments of interest during the take, and when cut is called, I cut the take. And I input some information if I want to, maybe give it a star, and then I'm done. It's really important to mention that Action Log isn't just for scripted work or productions that use a slating system. It will also work brilliantly for reality or studio shows. In those kind of situations, you can just add a marker whenever something interesting happens. And then the marker will appear on the timeline in your editing system when you export the markers. Okay, so the sound man has just told me that he's added a contestant radio mic on track 3 to camera A. I'll just add that. And the director has just started a GoPro recording. It's not time of day, so we'll use an InVision clap to mark it, and then I'll add a marker that says something like assist GoPro 1 sync clap. So if there's any problems for the assistants when they assemble the map, they can use this imported marker as a reference. Action Log can handle an unlimited amount of markers, cameras and shoot days, so there's really no limit to the size of the project. And that's it, Action Log in a nutshell.